Hello everyone! This month we'd like to take a minute to talk about the National Training Week that will be going on with Infinite Campus. The training itself will be taking place November 14th through the 18th, but the sooner you sign up for the classes, the better. You'll be able to access this through the Community option under the waffle pull down in the upper right hand corner of your Infinite Campus window. More than likely, you'll have to create a campus ID first. This is a pretty straightforward process, but we'll walk through it. Hit continue to start creating an ID, then you'll have to agree to the terms provided. From here you'll have to plug in some basic information. You'll use this later to log in, so make sure you use your own mentor email. Next, it'll want to know your location, district, and time zone. This will finish the ID process. Campus will send you a verification email, so you'll want to open that up as well and click the link to verify your account. Here you'll be able to use that login information you just set up to log into Campus Community. You'll be able to get to the training from the main page under Campus Passport. From here you'll be able to access all kinds of resources, along with a few brief videos that will walk you through how to sign up for the classes themselves. And naturally, our own Infinite Campus experts, Jan and Tracy, have a few must-see sessions for you to look over. There's a document in the description that'll show you these. And that's it. This week of training is an awesome time to take a look and see what you could learn. See you next time!